In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Google Meet settings. If you've ever encountered issues with your Google Meet setup and wished for a fresh start, you're in the right place. While it might seem daunting at first, resetting these settings manually is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's begin by accessing the settings. To do this, open your web browser and go to Google Meet. Once you're on the main page, look for the settings icon. Normally, you can find this by clicking on the gear symbol, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon opens up all the settings options you have available in Google Meet. Now, unlike some applications that have a single-click Reset All button, Google Meet requires us to reset settings manually. This involves adjusting each setting individually, which gives you a chance to review and customize settings based on your specific requirements. Begin by navigating through the different tabs that are presented in the settings window. These might include options such as audio, video, and general settings. Starting with the audio settings, ensure you have the correct microphone and speaker devices selected. Sometimes changes in default devices or updates can alter these settings without you realizing it. If you're experiencing audio issues or echoes in your calls, double check that the devices listed are indeed the ones you prefer to use. Feel free to test the sound by making a test call to verify that everything is working properly. After adjusting the audio, proceed to the video tab. Here, make sure your preferred camera is selected, especially after any updates or installations that might switch default devices. You can also adjust the resolution settings if you are experiencing quality issues in your video calls. Typically, lowering the resolution may help if you have lower bandwidth available, but aim for the highest available resolution your internet can reliably support for the clearest image. Next, explore any additional options, such as general settings. These could include options like screen sharing preferences and capture permissions. It's beneficial to go through these options carefully, as occasionally you may want to change a setting to better suit your workflow. Once you've carefully gone through each setting and made all necessary adjustments, your reset process is nearly complete. It might be helpful to document these settings or changes somewhere for future reference, especially if you find this configuration particularly functional. To ensure everything has been reset correctly and is functioning smoothly, don't forget to conduct a test meet. You can set up a simple meeting by inviting a colleague, a friend, or simply using an alternate account to see if everything runs as it should. This final check is crucial to make sure that there are no unexpected issues in an important meeting later on. And there you have it. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps keep your Google Meet sessions as smooth and trouble-free as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe.